My video guide is dedicated to help you with getting rid of the scary pop-ups that are coming from the website desktopsecuritydata.com. The website desktopsecuritydata.com is extremely malicious. It claims to be some way or another related to the well-known security program. However, it is not related to any decent program. Instead, all these pop-ups display a lot of scary messages that try to make people download and install certain potentially unwanted software. The pop-up says that your PC might be infected with viruses. However, it is not true. All these pop-ups are fake, and they are trying to make you download and install some junk software. So don't interact with these deceptive pop-ups. I recommend that you leave this page and ignore its content. I also recommend that you research your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, which you may get on the official website combocleaner.com. So go to this website combocleaner.com, download the program, install it, and start researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.